This video is about analyzing and evaluating integrals. Step 1. We need to check whether it is U substitution or reverse chain rule. Let's check question 2. You could say U of x equals a linear function when U substitution is the method. U equals a linear function, which means we can use this formula. Let's figure out 3 minus x prime equals -1. 2a is U sub, which means we can use this formula. This is U sub. For 2e, linear over linear, we can change this into a plus b over 3 minus x form. Then rest of this is all reused U substitution. Basically 2e, you can use reused U substitution to work out also. For 2a, we will use formula f. Integral of 7 times 3 minus x to the -1/2 power dx. For u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, when n equals -1/2, we got u to the power of -1/2 plus 1 all over -1/2 plus 1, which is 2 square root of u. So we get 7 times 2 square root 3 minus x. Don't forget 1 over p. P equals -1. 1 over p equals -1 times -1 plus c. Organize -14 square root 3 minus x plus c. For 2d, very likely some students thought this would be power rule, so they change this into 7 times 3 minus x to the -1st power dx. Then u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. When n equals -1, you will get u to the 0 power over 0. This is undefined, which means you cannot do this way. Here is the formula. Equals, take 7 out, times natural log of absolute value 3 minus x, times 1 over p is -1 plus c. Final answer, -7 times natural log of absolute value 3 minus x plus c. Let's go to 2c. When the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of the denominator, you need to try reuse the U substitution. Let's make U equal to 3 minus x. Then du dx equals -1. Switch these two. Du over -1 equals dx. So we get integral x to the 3rd power square root of u times du over -1. From this equation, we can figure out x equals 3 minus u. Substitution, integral of 3 minus u to the third power over square root of u times -1 times du. We will use this formula, a plus b to the third power equals 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Pascal's triangle, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. A to the third power, a squared, a to the 0 power. Then we add b to the 0 power, b to the first power, b squared, b to the third power. Organize, a to the third power plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b to the third power. We have 3 minus u to the third power. A equals 3, b equals -u. So we get 3 to the third power plus 3 times 3 squared times -u plus 3 times 3 times -u squared plus -u to the third power. Organize, 27 minus 27u plus 9u squared minus u to the third power. When this is a negative, you will get the term positive, negative, positive, negative. Now plug in equals integral 27 minus 27u plus 9u squared minus u to the third power over square root of u times -1 du. Let's change this into positive, then change the sign, then separate. Also change square root of u as the exponential form, integral of -27 u to the -1/2 power plus 27 u over square root of u equals the square root of u, which means u to the 1/2 power, minus u squared over square root of u equals u to the power of 2 minus 1/2, which is u to the power of 3 over 2. Then plus 3 minus 1/2 is 5 over second power du. For u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, when n equals -1/2, we got 2 square root of u. When n equals 1/2, we got u to the power of 1 plus 1/2 over 1 plus 1/2 equals 2 over 3 u square root of u. When n equals 3 over 2, u to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 equals Denominator is a 5 over 2. So we got 2 over 5. 3 over 2 plus 1. Change this into mixed fraction. 2 plus 1/2, which means u squared, square root of u. When n equals 5 over 2, we got u to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1, all over 5 over 2 plus 1. This is a 7 over 2, so we get 2 over 7. 5 over 2 plus 1, mixed fraction is 3 plus 1/2. So u to the power of 3 plus 1/2 equals u to the third power square root of u. Now we can get negative 27 times 2 square root of u plus 27 times 2 over 3 u square root of u minus 9 times 2 over 5 u squared square root of u plus 2 over 7 u to the third power square root of u plus c. We know u equals 3 minus x. Now plug back in, equals negative 54 square root 3 minus x plus reduce 18 3 minus x square root 3 minus x minus 18 over 5 3 minus x squared square root 3 minus x plus 2 over 7 times 3 minus x to the third power square root 3 minus x plus c. Let's go to 2e. We know this is the formula for linear over linear. A equals the quotient of the coefficient of x, a over c. For 5x over 3 minus x equals a plus b over 3 minus x. A equals 5 over negative 1 equals negative 5. So we get 5x over 3 minus x equals negative 5 plus b over 3 minus x. Both sides times LCD 3 minus x. We got 5x equals negative 5 times 3 minus x plus b. Distributive property. 5x equals negative 15 plus 5x plus b. So b equals 15. We will change this into kind of a partial fraction. A is negative 5 plus 15 over 3 minus x dx equals negative 5x plus 15 times natural log of absolute value 3 minus x times 1 over p. P equals negative 1. 1 over p equals negative 1 plus c. Organize negative 5x minus 15 natural log of absolute value 3 minus x plus c.